Based on invertible of a matrix, then I choose one example problem, that is, by using elementary operation, find the inverse of the matrix. That matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 2 minus 1. This is your A matrix. Here we need to find inverse of this matrix. We need to find, that is A inverse we need to find here. That is, how to find means, here this can be solving as in two steps. That is, if you are choosing in row wise, that is operations, elementary operation we have in two types, that is row wise or column wise. If you are interchange here elements of this matrix, we can interchange in row wise or column wise. First I choose row wise, then I choose column wise. That is solution part. In order to use elementary row operation, we may write here I choose row wise. That is, if you are choosing row wise, condition we need to write A is equal to I into A. That is, if you are getting in row wise operation, that is A is equal to, if you are interchange rows, and here we are getting B into A. In case if you are changing here column wise, then we are getting A is equal to A into I. That is, then we are getting here A into B here. That is, B is the inverse of A matrix. If I choose here row wise means A is equal to I into A here. This can be written as B into A. That is, B is the inverse of A matrix. Later on see column wise. First let us see row operation. First write, if you are changing row wise, write here condition A is equal to I into A. A is equal to, in the place of A, write here A matrix by given matrix is equal to I means write here in identity matrix 1 0 0 1. A write as it is. Till last we are getting A matrix, A inverse matrix, write A as it is. First operation, applying here R2 tending to R2 minus 2R1. R2 represented by second row. That means we need to operate here second row. That is, second row tending to second row minus 2 into first row. So wise here we are operate here second row. So wise first row write as it is. First row write as it is. In second row R2 minus 2R1. R2 minus 2R1 multiplying in R1 in 2. If you are multiplying R1 in 2 means 2 minus 2 0. Then minus 1 write as it is. Multiplication of 2 here 2 into 2 4. That is minus 4. Minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5 is equal to, this condition we need to operate both LHS and RHS. Then here R1 write as it is. R2, that is R2 minus 2R1. 1 into minus 2 as minus 2. Then here R2 minus R1 is 0. So why is 1 right as it is. This A right as it is. This condition we need to apply both LHS and RHS. If you are operate here second row means first row right as it is. Multiplying first row as 2. Then here subtract R2 minus R1. After multiplication of 2 in R1, then subtract R2 minus 2R1. Next step is, next applying the second condition, that is only in R2 row here multiplication of R2 minus 1 by 5. Multiplication of R2 minus 1 by 5. That is, here also we are operate only second row. First row right as it is. In second row multiplication of 1 by 5. That is, if in second row if you are multiply here minus 1 by 5, minus cancel, 5 cancel, you are getting here 1. Here also in RHS also first row right as it is. Second row multiplication of minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5 means minus into minus plus 2 by 5 you are getting. Here multiplication of minus 1 by 5, here we are getting minus 1 by 5. Like that we are getting. Till now in LHS we need to get identity matrix. Like that we need to operate the some conditions. Then after multiplication of minus 1 by 5, we are getting R2. Next operation, applying R1 tending to R1 minus 2R1. That is, R1 means row 1. Here we need to operate first row. Row 1 means first row. In first row, R1 minus 2R2. That means R1 minus 2R2. In second row, multiply by 2. R1 minus second row multiply by 2, then take R1 minus R2. That is 1 minus multiplication of 0 into 2 is 0 only. 1. 1 minus 0, 1. Then multiplication of 2. If your multiplication here 2, R1 minus R2 means 0. Second row, right, as it is. Why? Because here we are operating first row. Is equal to R1 minus 2R2. R1 minus 2R2. If you are multiplying here 2, 4 by 5. 1 minus 4 by 5, you are getting 1 by 5. Here 0 minus, if you are multiplication here, minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 by 5. 0 plus 2 by 5, 2 by 5. Then second row, right, as it is. Then see here, in RHS, we need to get identity matrix. In RHS, we need to get identity matrix. So wise, we need to operate all the conditions. That is, we need to take all the conditions. That is, this condition is in the form of I is equal to A inverse into A. What you are getting after in LHS, after getting identity matrix, same operations we need to apply here. RHS, in RHS, what you are getting, this condition we known as A inverse. A inverse into A. This is your identity matrix. You are getting answer is A inverse into A. So wise, finally we need to get here, we need to find A inverse. So wise, in the place of A inverse matrix, that is A inverse is equal to 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5. This is your A inverse matrix. Next, this is your example problems. In this example problem, I operate row wise operations. In case same thing, we can alternatively, we can choose here column wise also. So wise, if you are interchange here column wise, I already told you, see here, if you are interchanging column wise, we are taking condition as A is equal to A into I. Why? Because if you are interchanging column wise, that is A is equal to, then you are getting AB. That means B is a inverse of A. Like that we are getting. So wise, if you are changing column wise means condition A is equal to A into I. So wise, write A matrix as it is. I matrix again A write as it is. Identity matrix take here. Then take column matrix. When how long we are interchange means in RHS, if you are here, we are in RHS, we are choosing A matrix. Till in RHS, in LHS, we are getting A matrix as converted into identity matrix. Till now, we are interchange some operation, that is rows and columns. So, wise, like that we need to take some operation. If you are consider here A matrix, that A matrix is converted into identity matrix. Take here. See here identity matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1. Already we have here 1. Here we need to change here this 2 as 0. So wise, take here some operation. That is C2 is equal to C2 minus 2C1. Here we need to take here some operation. That is C2 tending to C2 minus 2C1. That is changing here second column. First column, right, as it is. Here we are interchanging column wise. In exam, you can choose only one column wise or row wise. No need to prove both column and row. Choose any one. Next here, second column, we are operating here. First column, right, as it is. Second column minus 2C1. That means first column. Multiplying 2 as first column. then we are C2 minus 2C1. You are getting 0. Next, minus 1, 2 into 2, 4, minus 5 is equal to, in RHS also we need to apply same condition. A into first column write as it is, then multiplication of C2 minus 2C1, multiplication of 2 as C1, that is minus 2, multiplication of 2 into 0 is 0, 1 write as it is. Then 1, 0, next we need to get here 1. Next here we need to get here, if you are getting identity matrix means here 5 changing to 1. So wise I get like this. Second column tending to multiplication of 1 by 5 into C2. In second column I get here 1, that means multiplication of 1 by 5 in column 2. That is column 1 write as it is, 0 write as it is. In second column multiplication of minus 1 by 2 means multiplication of minus 1 by 5 means minus minus cancel, 5 cancel, you are getting 1 is equal to A write as it is, first column write as it is, multiplication of minus 1 by 5, that is already we have 2 here, minus 1 by 5, if your multiplication here minus into minus plus, you are getting 2 by 5. Here in second column multiplication of minus 1 by 5 means already 1 into minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Next already we have 1, 0. Next here if you are getting here identity matrix means we need to change this 2 as 0. So wise if you are getting 0 here, applying this condition, that is C1 tending to C1 minus 2C2, that is C1 minus 2C2. If multiplying here in column as 2, that is 1 into 1 minus 2 into 0 as 0 only. So wise you are getting 1 only here. Then 2 here, multiplication of these 2 as 2, 2 minus 2, 0, 0, 1 right as it is. A is equal to same condition apply here. A into C1 minus 2C2, multiplication of 2 into 2 by 5 is 4 by 5, 1 minus 4 by 5 as 1 by 5. Again 0 minus 2 into 1 by 5 as 2 by 5, that is 2 by 5, second row right, second column right as it is. We are operating here first column. So here till now in RHS we need to get identity matrix, like that we need to operate here. Here also I is equal to A into A inverse. This is your A. What you are getting answer, this is your A inverse. Finally A inverse is equal to, right, what you are getting same answer, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5. This is your A inverse. No need to take both column wise and row wise. You can choose any one of the time, either row wise or column wise. I see here how to interchange both in rows and columns. You can choose any one method, either row wise or column wise. What you are seen in last problem, that is your example problem. Now starts exercise problem, that is exercise 3.4. In that, using elementary transformation, find inverse of each of the following. That is, in that first problem is 1 minus 1, 2, 3. This is your given A matrix. By using this A matrix, we need to find inverse of this matrix. Here I choose only operations in row wise. If you can choose row wise or column wise, I choose here row wise. No need to take both. Choose only row wise. If you are started here in starting row wise, in last wise we need to choose only row only. So wise, first take A into IA. This is your condition. A is equal to IA. A matrix is equal to identity matrix into A. In A matrix can be converted into last identity matrix. Like that, take here conditions. That is, here I need to choose this one 0. I make this one 0. So wise I choose this condition. R2 is equal second row tending to second row minus 2 into first row. Multiplication of first row and subtract second row and minus first row. That is, first row right as it is, we are operating here second row. So why is first row right as it is, multiplication of 2 as second row and 2 minus minus 2 minus 2 0, multiplication here minus 2, that is 3 minus into minus plus 3 plus 2 5. Again first row write as it is, multiplication of 2 and R2 minus 2 R1. You are getting minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 into 1 into A. Next here I need to get here 1. So wise R2 same second row, multiplication of 1 by 5 into R2. Multiply 1 by 5 into R2. First row write as it is 0, multiplication of 1 by 5 as 5 cancel 1. Here also first row write as it is, multiplication of 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5, multiplication of 1 by 5 1 by 5. Here 1 0, here I need to choose this one as 0. I make this one 0. So wise I take this condition, R1 tending to R1 plus R2. So wise first row R1 plus R2, R1 plus R2, 1 plus 0 1, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, we are getting 0. Second row write as it is, 1 minus 2 by 5 3 by 5, 1 plus 1 by 5 0 plus 1 by 5 1 by 5. Second row write as it is. This is in the form of I is equal to A inverse into A. So why this is your A inverse value. A inverse is equal to this one. No need to prove column wise, take only row wise. If you are starting row wise, till end of your operation in terms of row only. First take A is equal to I into A. This A value can be changing into identity matrix, like that take operations.